Hi, my name is Nate Beebe, Lead the Way teacher here at Homewood-Flossmoor High School, and I will be taking you through the Career and Technical Education Department. Before we begin, I will begin with the HF transfer goals. So graduates from HF will be able to independently use their learning to value diversity, be inclusive, and interact positively, empathetically, and respectfully with all people in order to prosper in a global society. Communicate effectively based on purpose, task, and audience. Collaboratively and respectfully work with and learn from others in a variety of situations, appreciating and inviting diverse perspectives. Govern oneself in a variety of situations, advocate for self and others, and engage in social responsibility. Think critically and creatively to develop innovative solutions in an ever changing world, and adapt to evolving circumstances, embrace, and lead change while demonstrating resilience. We also have career and tech ed department transfer goals that are specific to our area. You will notice that these mirror the school goals as well. So beginning with, be able to apply critical thinking and creative problem solving skills to analyze and address situations, troubleshoot, and formulate solutions to be applied in diverse environments. Communicate effectively to strengthen personal and professional relationships. Collaborate effectively to transfer information and ideas in our ever changing global society. And persevere through personal and professional difficulties, failures, and opposition by being resourceful and resilient. Now, looking at our department courses of study, the Career and Technical Education Department covers a wide range of courses of study, as you can see on this slide. Each area offers multiple avenues of study with many different course offerings to meet virtually any student's areas of interest, as you'll see by the course sequences in preceding slides. Our CTE teachers are some of the very best in their fields of expertise, with many of them holding state and even national leadership roles. And although I'm providing a general overview of the department, I would suggest reaching out to the respective teacher or teachers in each area for more detailed information about the programs. You'll also be able to find course listings beginning on page 28 in the course offerings book. We will begin with the Automotive Technology program. HS Automotive program is great for students to explore their hands-on skill while applying problem-solving techniques needed for many career fields at multiple levels of education. This program is unique due to being a four-year program that allows seven college credit hours to be achieved. We currently have over 10 students per year find employment with one of our 28 dealerships, 5 private local businesses, or 2 corporate partners before they leave HF. As you take a look at the course sequence chart here, please note that students should begin with Intro to Small Engines, which is a semester-long course, in order to move through the automotive-based classes, which are year-long. We do offer an after-school automotive club and drag racing team for any students interested. The club students were track champions, actually, in 2018, and HF Automotive grads consistently rate top in their class attending four-year college programs. As we move on to business, our business technology classes are generally semester-long with honors level options in the more advanced classes. Students will be exposed to a variety of topics and experiences within this program, culminating with the career internship and employment class. Within the business and technology education, students will expand their knowledge of essential business-related computer applications, become familiar with the basics of accounting, finance, marketing, and business and personal law, and develop interpersonal skills necessary to build successful business-related careers. As we move on to engineering, Project Lead the Way is a nationally based program designed to introduce and engage students in high school and earlier in various fields of engineering and engineering technology. The PLTW program begins with exploratory courses, which are all honors level, and progresses through specified courses junior and senior year that are all AP grade weighted, with the culmination of the Engineering Design and Development course, which is a senior design class. Each Project Lead the Way engineering course engages students in interdisciplinary activities like designing a new toy, working with a client to design a home, programming electronic devices, or designing robotic arms. We not only build knowledge and skills in engineering, but also empower students to develop essential skills such as creative problem solving, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and perseverance. These essential skills mimic not only the HF and department transfer goals, but also the skills most in demand at the professional level. As we move on to family and consumer science, as you can see in the course sequence chart here, there are several areas of study and pathways that students can follow through their high school career. More details of each of these pathways will be provided in subsequent slides, but I do want to point out that all of the introductory courses available to freshmen through seniors are semester-long courses, and as you progress through the program, they become year-long courses. As we take a look at culinary arts pathways, students will gain understanding of culinary principles and demonstrate hands-on application during all the culinary courses. Students may progress from culinary basics to catering events. In fact, each year they offer an Iron Chef competition in which many teachers at the school try to get judging positions because it's that good. Next, we have early childhood pathway. Students can explore their interest in child development and the idea of working with young children. Throughout the pathway, students explore developmentally appropriate practices from conception through age 6. Students also students of all levels have opportunities to work with our laboratory preschool. And next we have the interior design pathway. Students are offered the opportunity to study interior design here at HF. They will develop the knowledge and skills to apply design elements and principles, fundamentals of interiors, and current trends. Concepts are applied through a series of projects to produce functional backgrounds for today's living. And then the final class within our family and consumer science is our clothing and construction pathway, which helps students acquire knowledge of fabrics, equipment, design, and construction techniques. Exploration of the fashion industry will allow students to discover future career opportunities. Since these classes are based on hands-on application, students will leave accomplished with clothing products they are proud to have made. Then our final area is our manufacturing and welding. HF is unique in its ability to offer such a variety of manufacturing and welding courses. Very few high schools statewide have the lab facilities and teachers to provide students with experiences generally only available to the community college or apprenticeship levels. The manufacturing and welding classes are fun, hands-on, up out of your seat, moving around the classroom. You will gain confidence with using equipment and machines, create awesome projects that you can keep for a lifetime. Again, the manufacturing classes are engaging hands-on classes that teach from the basics on up. You will get to make projects and take them home. You will learn how to use wood shop and metal shop machines, 3D printers, laser engravers, and CNC equipment. Our welding classes, you will learn how to weld using a variety of welding techniques. You are literally able to use flame torches to cut and weld. Of course, safety and proper use is of the utmost importance and is taught for all tools and equipment. As you can see, the Career and Technical Education Department has so much real-world application to offer all students in exciting and unique environments. If you think of if you think of your education as a building, your core classes of math, science, and English as the bricks used to build that building, the CTE courses are the mortar that connects and holds it all together. If you have questions, please reach out to Kevin Thomas. I thank you, and we look forward to being a part of your education here at Homewood-Flossmoor.